This is why most storage units are lost right here. What is this, Jack? Is this a gun?
The phone. I'm gonna record everybody.
Paparazzi.
That's what that's why you cut the California.
Make sure you cut out that language. There you go. Here's a rodent trap.
Welcome to Martinez, everybody. Welcome to Martinez.
What's the thing they're standing on right now?
It's the coin master. It's a coin return. There's nothing in it that I can see, but it's off the block. I'll try and find out. So we got one paddle.
Nah, the other one's over here.
TV, right? Yeah.
Don't break it.
I'm not gonna break it. I'm trying to get it out.
Trying to destroy our profits. That could be one of our 3 items we're presenting.
He's got another trunk.
Comes with the most.
Oh. Guys, there's another trunk under here. Jesus.
Easy $500. Easy $500 right there.
What'd you find, babe?
It's the East Coast.
It's like a dresser.
Okay, I don't see any money in there.
Yeah.
Check this out.
What are they weighing with that?
Keep looking. Look at the chest.
I know what that goes for. We should have bought it. Area.
Well, now that Jack doesn't have any clue what's in here, but we all
What's
do.
in the box?
Jeebus.
Lottery ticket.
I'll take that.
That one's outdated.
Jack, don't hate me. They said I was allowed.
Jack don't hate anybody.
They were all wanting to know.
He's gonna check the pockets.
No. He's got a bicycle. I just gotta pat you down, brother.
It's like a booklet. You gotta flip through the booklet.
Huh? What? Did you buy one? Yeah. Yeah.
300, and no doubt there's a ton of profit. Let's do it.
You ready?
3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Boom.
You know why we got?
Mona Lisa.
Reminds me of the Georgia Lisa.
Oh yeah.
So if she were to autograph that, there'd be a ton of money right there. So I figured I'd take that home, hang that up above the fireplace.
Oh yeah, a couple grand easy.
Easy.
But the most important thing are the jeweler bags over here.
The black velvet. That's
100%. Oh yeah, it's either good. Even if it's silver, we'll take it. We want gold.
I don't mind. Platinum's all right too.
Yeah, we don't care around here.
You ready?
Yeah, you take one, I'll take one.
I got one. Oh, it's
That
heavy.
we got. That's
It's
got
heavy.
That's a couple pounds of gold.
Mine might be platinum into that. Are you ready? Let's do this. Sweet Jeebus. Sweet Jeebus. You got Grandma Bertha.
What are you guys' channel's name if they want to see the rest of
What I have to.
evidence?
Treasure hunting with Jeebus.
And
What the hells do you want to know for? Just what the hells?
I have to ask if you're taking that one back with you. Does it have to have his own plane ticket?
How many did you guys find? 4?
3 so.
Are you guys trying to outdo my collection?
you guys are cursed.
I have 18.
You have 18 now?
18.
It's so good that you guys are not flying home. You
What
drive.
is that in your hand?
Personal.
And what is it? We hashtag what?
Return it?
No,
Oh, we
hashtag.
don't take things personal.
All right, so where are you taking it?
To the office.
Good girl.
If you would point me in the direction of it.
The direction of the office is that way. This is so cute. Jeremy gave me the key to his heart. What do you feel about that, George?
She'll fight you for it. Trust me.
I got my sword in the truck.
Where's the fencing foil?
I got my fencing sword in the truck.
Because it's on.
Look, Alec, it's my East Coast O-face.
Oh, right.
Look at those thumbnails.
Whoa.
Did you find this or did you just buy it?
I actually bought that yesterday, I think, or this morning, but it's been, no, yeah, I bought it yesterday.
All right, let's see. So we uncover the win, $100. Let's get it. 4-leaf clover, not today.
Darn.
All right, we'll get it here. Let's see. 8, that's my lucky number right
That's
there.
my lucky number 2.
Really?
Meaning of life, 42.
8 and 9. I bet money we'll get number 7 down here, 100%. 36.
Are we going to bet $1 on that?
I will. You bet $1?
That you get a number 7?
Yep.
Yeah, I'll take
Look
it
at
on
that,
that.
number 8. Match already.
Ooh.
We'll save it for later. We gotta save it for the end. Make it dramatic. 27. 1.
That's my number.
I hate number 1. 24. 34. 43. Yep, there it is, number
Oh,
7.
I lost $1.
39. 18. Where are they at? Where's the winner? We got one winner. We need more than that. We want 2. 3. Nothing. 6. Nothing. 16. Nothing. 4. Where are the winners? Come on, Kelly.
We got 1. It could be $1 million. 100. It could be 100,000 on the
Take
number.
that. 38. 28. So we got the one winner. You ready? 3. Both of our lucky numbers. It's got to be something. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I see it.
Just a ticket.
Oh,
Just
damn.
a ticket.
Just a ticket.
Well, now we get another chance at 100,000.
What do you got, George?
We found gold and silver, but we're not even going to include that because it wouldn't be fair.
That
to
wouldn't be
the other
fair.
people.
That wouldn't be fair. West Coast, that wouldn't be fair. We'd blow them out of the water. But we did find an entire treasure trove of Princess Diana Beanie Babies. And again, if even one of these is real from the original release, and if it has errors on the tag, we'd be talking $10,000. Now, we did check these, and we're probably closer to $10. But that's besides the point. Possibility is good potential. That's not too bad. But what's the other item you got, George?
Our second item is a Dyson vacuum.
Look at that. Look at that. So brand new, this would cost how much?
$700, $800.
Okay, I could go with that. Now, what's the resale value on this? What would we sell this for in the actual warehouse back home? So 250. But the profit doesn't stop there, because the real value is the practical things that you need every day. And guess what I found? Come on, be honest. Be honest. 2-ply, this is double roll. This is the soft stuff. When you need it, you need it.
Gold.
Hey, when the zombie apocalypse happens, this will be worth more than gold. Currency will be this right here. How do you even put a price on it? How do you put a price on it? I don't know.
Is it septic safe?
No, but it does have 425 sheets per roll. Try beating that, pirate.
All right, guys, so we're going to start with our 3 things, starting with this helmet. It looks like something Evil Knievel would wear, wouldn't it?
yeah.
All the scratches on top adds extra value. So I'm going to say $1,000 easy.
Oh, come, that's it?
Yeah,
I was saying 25 easy.
All right,
Even
well, I mean, whatever
people
you
use
think.
that in a jump. That's
He has better price
2,500
knowledge
easy.
than I do, so.
George just looked that up on eBay. She said 2,500.
That's right. See, that's what I was thinking too.
Nice.
See, the next thing is, all these guys are counting. Here's 100, here's 200, here's 300. While we're over here with a $10,000 bill. $10,000. Congrats on your couple $100 there, your couple $100 there, but we got 10 grand in one bill. And you think that's it? No, it's not it. This one's $1,000. This one's $500. We have like $15,000, $15,000 to $20,000 in $1. We could buy a car. You guys can buy a nice dinner. We can buy a car.
Talking
That's
car
the difference
money.
in competition right
Not
here.
rent money.
Not only that, we got Star Trek signed memorabilia. This isn't small change. This is stuff people will go to war for. This will fetch $5 grand on eBay. $5,000. If you don't believe me, look it up yourself. Actually, please don't, but $5,000 all day. How could you not say the East Coast won this?
The East Coast didn't win this.
In the competition. What do you think?
Get that right there. Now, this is typically used for a dog, but this is
It'll work.
it's amazing for Midget Man.
That was so
Oh,
thoughtful,
there we
sweet.
go.
It was all after that.
I can't speak for how clean it is. But I like
Thought
pretty
that counts.
dirty.
Dude, you guys are downright nuts. That's awesome.
Perfect sizes and everything. Oh, it's really his color. Compliments.
Are you
Look at the East Coast walking away, sad. They got swept, so there goes the broom. Better luck next time. See you soon. See the broom? They got swept. Told you guys, pirates don't lose. You obey all the rules, you miss all the fun. Alex, Jack.
Hey guys, you're never gonna believe what we've. Sorry, just keep it rolling. Hey guys, you are not gonna believe what the hails we found in a locker today. Let's show them.
All right, retake. Retake.
Did we nail it?
Jeremy, did you send your attack turkey over here to my storage or what? Okay. It's a little bit ridiculous. There's a whole squad's deep right here in front of my storage, guys. You guys send them or what? Team East Coast in the house, ladies and gentlemen. They got scared. They got scared when I came. Look at them run. Look at them run. It's like a speak turkey. Look, got some customers at the front door. Customers at the front door. Hope the manager shows up soon. They're waiting to rent a unit. Can we get $1 special? Can we get $1 special? Hello? Anybody here? Look at this. This is like us when we first met at the club the other day, guys. I told you, no freaking lie. These turkeys are wild around here. They do not care. We're not even in Pittsburgh today. They just, look at this. Look at this. They're going to attack this car. Look at this. They don't care. It's like I'm in an episode of South Park over here. Look at that. Stopping, should have coming for me. They're brave turkeys because that is one apartment complex they do not want to walk into. They might not make it out alive. Jack's out here cleaning up his unit, finishing up his little load from the collab.
Almost done.
This is only the good stuff, right, Jack?
This is the good stuff.
This is all your sellable stuff?
Yeah.
Did you do all right in this unit?
I'll get my money back, but that's not really the goal.
So what you're saying is you're going to have no ROI?
0, yeah.
0?
0% return on investment.
He's got one little intriguing box we're going to look at here in a second.
Yeah. That's worth some money on the black market.
We don't do the black market around here. This is cute. It's a laundry cart full of rims. Is it? What's the brand on it?
I don't know.
Does anybody know about these rims right here? Anybody out there? What do you guys know about these rims? These don't look like mag lights to me, but they do. Oh, you know, they say something right there. APSE. That's what you look up. APSE. They're not the plastic mag lights, mag ones. The original mag ones are seriously could be $400 or $500 a pair from the 80s. Just like same style. Everybody's my Bean and Cheese burrito, if you was wondering.
I did find something valuable in here. I was saving it for you, Mike.
What is it? The coat hanger? The plastic tote? Jack wanted me to know he found something valuable and he wanted to point out his Raider jacket. But if you guys pay attention to our videos, we always go back and forth with the 49ers and Raiders. Shout out to the Raiders. They're a very good college football team.
Oh my goodness.
You didn't see that coming, did you?
No, I never heard that one before.
Sorry, Jack. I like picking on the Raiders.
It's all good.
You and Uncle Michael are the two number one and only fans out there. Oh, look at this. I could be 50 Cent now with my bulletproof vest. I'm going to show up at the auctions like this. What do you think, Jack? Is this coming at me? I could probably pull it off.
Let's get on.
Get one of them fake guns to bring with me. A little plastic gun, a bulletproof vest so you shoots me at the auction. Ladies and gentlemen, this right here. I'm going to go through this little box right here. This is why most storage units are lost right here. That's a skateboard by the I love haters right there. That reminds me of one of my new besties, Treasure Hunting with Jeebus. Shout out to him. It was a pleasure meeting all that whole crew when we did the collab. Just want to give that man a shout out and his family. Tylenol, Atenol, nope. But we can't show words of people's names. It looks like they were, is that the same name? Nope. It looks like they were stealing people's medicine. What are these?
Those are needles.
They're what?
Dirty one.
Oh. Jack found needles. Yuck. Let's see. Yep. That is gross. And there's an envelope in there, or sandpaper. I don't know what they use sandpaper for. This is not good. Oh, needles. You want to?
You want me to show it?
Sure. And I'll film. Can't show the names.
Okay.
Looks like there's
Still-
nothing.
There's a lot of prescription medicine.
Acetaminophen.
Oh, I thought that was needles. This pens.
You never opened it?
No.
Wow.
I didn't really need to know.
You hear me these things sometimes, Shay.
What is this?
Oh, that's for cleaning your needles, right?
I don't know.
Yep. Seen it somewhere in a YouTube video, I think.
I mean, I saw this one first. I didn't feel the need to open other boxes. And that's
That's a lot of needles.
a lot of needles. And it says insulin syringes, but I don't think
Yeah,
it's
but
doing-
that's what they say of all of them, right?
I think
This
so.
right here,
What is
that's
that?
not insulin. That is, that looks like,
That one's loaded up and ready to go, huh?
it looks like it. Ugh.
I found another one in here somewhere.
That's
But
either blood or heroin. That is gross.
the ones.
That is gross, whatever that is.
These
What are
are
the...
cool.
Noxolin HCI. This is...
This is stuff that was scattered through the whole locker. I just put it all in
I
here.
wonder what could be in there.
I don't know.
I don't even want to know. We're not even going to open it.
Here's a prison. I think that's a prison ship or something.
A shank?
A shank.
That's not good. Yeah, this is...
There's the-
Got some weed there. That's not illegal in California anymore. I don't know about what state you are in. Right now, type in the comments below a 32 if it's illegal in your state, or a 58 if it is legal in your state. Just go ahead and comment below. I'm curious to know which state you live in. That was marijuana if you didn't know. This is kind of... Huh.
There was more than
See this right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. The burn mark on there. Should not even put my hand in here, huh?
Probably not.
What are you going to do with all this, Jack?
I think I bring it to the sheriff's office and they take it.
What is this, Jack? This gun?
It is.
Looks like a BB gun, huh?
Still good.
Does it do like any gun type atmospheric things? Like goes back and forth or anything? You go,
I think you can cock it, yeah.
let's see.
Sounds good.
Wow.
But-
Toy guns are a little bit much these days. You can actually probably walk down the road and get shot for carrying something like that.
Oh,
just for,
totally.
yeah.
Should have a red tip right here, but it's busted though.
Wow.
Pretty cool though.
It is all right.
It's total tweaker gun. It's all.
You gonna return that to the
scuffed
police
up.
department too?